Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Rahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn how can we select the date from a calendar, like we want to select the due date from the June month and till to the 8th date from the December month. How can we do that? So let's start. So firstly what we are doing, we are take a sequence. So what we are doing, I'm just and take a sequence for this process, just and take a to input dialog activity, first for the from date and second for the to date. So what we are doing here, title is from date and enter a from date and store this variable in from date. Okay, same thing we will do for the to date. So here I am doing it to date, and here I am writing to enter a to date and create a variable name is to date. And here also I am that is display name is from date, and change this display name is also to date. So after this what we are doing, we are take a assign activity to split the date from the day and month. Same thing we will do for the second one. So what we are doing, we are take a create a variable for the from day. Okay, first from day and second is control J from month. Okay, and inside the option what I am doing, I am doing to the from date dot split in space from space and C, and where in zero index are the day and one index we are available in the month. So what we are doing, from date dot split same thing we will do for the second one, to date. So how can we do that, create a today variable, control K to date. So what we are doing, we are what, okay, today acha, we can, it already created, so we can do month, click enter, and same thing we are doing for this, we are taking to date dot split and save it and edit his display name also. This is for the today, this for 1 second from month, this for from date. This for the today. Okay, today, and this for tomorrow. So what we are doing after this, we are take attach browser activity, attach browser activity to attach this browser. So what we are doing, we just click on it and select on here and edit is selector for code. So what we are doing, we are replace this character with the wildcard with the, and just click OK and save it. After this, what we are doing, we are take a type into activity. Maybe we need to write something on here, that's why we are using the type into activity. If we are not type on here something, then we no need to the take the type into activity, we directly select date. So just refresh it and take a type into activity, take a type into activity and select his and edit his selector also. Firstly what we are doing, we are just taking Noida, takes, and what we are doing, we are just add one more thing, it's class, and just save it and okay and save it. After this what we are doing, we are take a click activity to click on the check-in option. After click on it, we need to edit. No need to the name, we need to the click on the class. Yeah, and if you are click on the class and validate the thing, you can see here if you are click on the highlight. Okay, maybe we not need to the parent id also. So if we are click on it, that is click on the check-in. If we are change his index to, then they are click on the second thing on the checkout. So that's why we are, that thing is, that selector good for me. Just change his index from 1, save it and okay. And after this click, what we are doing, we are just click on here, then we need to the take another click activity to click on the date. Take it another click activity, click on the 1 second, maybe I am doing, and select some wrong thing, so we need to select the 12 date. So after this we need to the edit his selector with the month and date. So we modify his selector. What we are doing here, just click on the open browser. So here you can see that table column is 3 and table row is 4. So if you are checking with the calendar, you can see here I am click on the 12. So number of column is 1 2 3 and number of row is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4, that's why they are showing to the column name is 3 and row date is Click on here, and what we are doing, we know no need to the column name, and his also, and no need to is this one also. You know, click on the class, and one is, if you are click on the inner text, yeah. So that's why we need to be both of them. We just remove the from the wildcard and change it. Mhm. This is for the date. If we are click on the highlight, you can see they are highlight on the 12 date, and if we are replace on from with the 13, they are highlight on the date of 13. You can see here. That's why we have modified the selector. So now we need to the check the month date. So maybe how can we do that? We just click on here, maybe here we need to be now click on here, and here we are not, and here also maybe only, okay, no, click on here. Yeah, here we can see that they are what the value is this, so we know not cc and everything. You click on the class and inner text, and click on the as well all thing also. So how can we do that? We just replace with assets. Activity to run that process, because you can see here we have the URL of the, if I am just click on here. So what we are doing, we just remove it and change this also with the wildcard. No, maybe it's perfect. Yeah, if we are click on it, yeah, let's click on the rest of thing. So we are just okay, and if we are check the highlight with the highlight, yeah, so that's good. Just click save and copy the selector and press ok and save it. What we are doing here, just click on here and change inner text with the variable of the from day. From month, click ok. You will click on the not, because you are write the variable inside this. So after this, what we are doing, we are take a while loop to search the month, which month you are provide the input. Like if we are provide the July month, then they are go search from here and select the date of the under the July month. Like if we are 12, then they are find the July month and then click on here. So for that, what we are doing, we are take a while loop activity, while loop, and here condition what I am created variable name is from next, and here I am also taken from. So it will run till time they are not take the true value. and here I am default will be called true, and just and I am also take a retry activity to find the true value. Retry try catch. And we are taking try activity. So what we are doing, we are just check the we are going to the same thing or take some mistake on here. We are going to this and here what we are doing, we are take a assign activity. If they are find the false, they are run it again. So what we are doing, we are doing from and here also I am adding exception. Exception name is system exception, and in system exception I am take a click activity to click on here till them is not find the right month. So I'm just modify select and open it here. No need to the CSS selector, no need to the PRM ID, no need to the just click on here and check that is yes. This is the right way. Just click save and save it. Okay, and save the process. So now there is a mistake on here and just do this process inside only try catch. Okay, so we'll try for a first time. That is going we are going to the right way or wrong way. So just refresh it and run the process. Yeah, so now it's working fine. So what we are doing, we are take some time on here. Same thing we will do for the second one, 2 months. So what we are doing, we are just copy this while loop, copy and take another activities, click open in UI Explorer. So we no need to click this one. PRM already also we no need to, we just click on this one. Everything is working fine. Just save it and run it and paste the value on here and change his name is okay, control V. Okay, and on here and true. Okay, bottom down. Now we want to edit this here. 2 months. Not today. Today. Just click OK and save it. Okay, so what we are doing, we want to do some changes on here. Right. Okay, okay. Okay. save it and refresh this option and run the bot. Well, 12 to play, 14, 14 June. Click OK. April OK. Click on the checkout. Okay, it outside of the boundary. Okay, taking some, yeah, facing some missions. I don't know. We can do one more thing for this. We'll just edit his selector. See, comment. Just change this to 2. What we are doing, we are take edit this selector also. Maybe they are see facing some selector issue. That's why we're facing this. So we are just click on it. So now let's run it again. Maybe now it's working fine. Connect the file. No, now it's search the December month of the date and select on that date and click OK. So this is the today process of how can we select the date from the calendar. So please subscribe my channel and like my video. If you have any issue, let me know. Thank you everyone.